that fish is like, ow. Turtle wins! Turtle wins! Falls down a fishing pole. That turtle totally screwed you. Serves you right for teasing a turtle. Haven't you ever heard of the Ninja Turtles? They kick ass.
Wait, where do you think you're going, buddy? Yeah, go for him. Go scare him. Come on, fight him.